And in fact, for the last 5 weeks, as the market's made all-time highs, the net bulls is bearish. Do you see it? Minus 11. We've had 5 weeks while the market's made all-time highs and everyone's skeptical. In fact, this is from Tireless Ken, you looked at all the times the market had a 25% or more rally, and I put a red dot, usually sentiment's quite bullish by the time you had a 30% rally. We've had a 34% rally, and yet the average sentiment is still negative. That tells me, first of all, that most people went to cash in April. They didn't think we'd recover, and I don't blame you, because I remembered at the April lows, we heard a lot of people tell us, Tom, there's no way we can recover because the Fed's not going to cut rates or expand the balance sheet, so you don't have any liquidity coming. Our argument was that waterfall declines always see reciprocal recoveries. Okay, but I believe the reason people are bearish is because of political affiliation. So please do not judge me. I'm registered independent, but I want to point out some facts. I am a registered independent, and I didn't vote for either candidate in this last election. But if you look at the general population, the US is 50-50 roughly between Democratic affiliated and Republican. Okay, so it should be half. But if you look at the University of Michigan survey respondents, and they published the affiliation, 60% of the people that respond to the UMich survey are Democrats. So when you see UMich inflation and confidence, just remember it's skewed because more people who respond are Democrats. The media, we know political affiliation is 89% Democratic. And we know that if you look at contributions by Federal Reserve employees, 92% donated to the Democratic Party. Okay, so as we run that down again, half the United States is Democratic, half is Republican. But media and the Federal Reserve skew Democratic. Well, look at the equity market. 57% of employees in the stock business are Democratic, 67% of hedge funds, and 69% of venture capital.